Think you've seen every woodworking tool out there? Think again. Today we're looking at some of the newest and smartest woodworking tools on Amazon that can save you time, improve accuracy, and make your projects easier than ever. 6 interchangeable stainless steel blades allow accurate scraping on flat, curved, concave, and molded surfaces. The soft grip offset handle provides comfortable control, while the included blade file helps maintain sharp cutting edges for long-term use. Quick blade changes and organized storage make it practical for painting, restoration, and detailed surface preparation tasks. The Tolisa heavy-duty spring clamps deliver strong and reliable holding power with reinforced fiberglass construction and durable high-density springs. Designed with a deep throat and wide jaw opening, they securely grip thicker materials for woodworking, gluing, photography backdrops, and household projects. The ergonomic rubber-padded handles provide comfortable control, while the adjustable jaw pads help protect surfaces and adapt to uneven materials for stable clamping performance. Heavy-duty mobile base system designed to move large workshop equipment up to 400 pounds with stability and control. The adjustable frame allows custom sizing using 3/4 plywood, making it suitable for table saws, bandsaws, and workbenches. Strong casters provide smooth movement across the floor, while the quick-lock foot levers secure the equipment firmly in place during use. Ideal for creating a flexible and space-efficient workshop setup. All-metal concealed hinge jig designed for precise 35 mm cabinet hinge installation with high accuracy and durability. The integrated quick clamp system secures the jig firmly in place, while built-in bearings ensure smooth and consistent drilling performance. A dust vacuum adapter helps maintain a clean working area by reducing debris during operation. Adjustable depth settings and multiple hinge offset options make it suitable for a wide range of cabinet door installations, improving speed and accuracy in woodworking projects. Complete 17-piece wood carving kit designed for beginners and woodworking enthusiasts with a variety of knives for whittling, detailing, shaping, and general carving tasks. The high-carbon steel blades come pre-sharpened for smooth and accurate cuts, while the ergonomic walnut handles provide comfortable control during use. Safety accessories including cut-resistant gloves and thumb guards improve protection, and the included leather roll-up pouch keeps all tools organized and portable for convenient storage and travel. 4-piece wood chisel set featuring heat-treated CRV steel blades designed for sharp and durable woodworking performance. The beveled edge design allows precise carving, paring, and mortise cutting on softwood, hardwood, and laminated materials. Lightweight yet durable PVC handles provide comfortable grip and reliable control during detailed work or mallet use. Protective blade caps help keep the chisels secure and organized during storage. 12-inch contour gauge designed for accurately copying and transferring complex shapes and profiles in woodworking, tiling, and DIY projects. The adjustable locking mechanism keeps the shape securely in place for precise tracing, while the widened high-precision pins capture detailed contours with accuracy. Dual-sided inch and centimeter scales provide clear measurements, and the durable ABS construction ensures reliable long-term use across different applications. The SPE tool downcut spiral router bit features a 1/4-inch cutting diameter with a durable coated design for extended tool life and smoother cutting performance. Its downcut spiral design delivers clean top edges and precise grooves, slots, mortises, and dados with reduced tear-out compared to standard straight bits. Compatible with CNC and handheld routers using a 1/4-inch collet, it performs reliably on hardwood, plywood, MDF, laminate, and other woodworking materials. Izark hole saw kit includes 16 pieces with multiple sizes from 3/4 to 2.5, designed for cutting wood, metal, PVC, plywood, and drywall. Made from M42 bimetal with 8% cobalt, it delivers faster cutting speed and longer tool life. The optimized tooth design and chip clearance slots ensure smooth, efficient cuts with reduced heat buildup. Complete with arbors, drill bits, and accessories in a durable storage case for organized and easy use on job sites. Router templates and jigs for woodworking provide precise corner radius cutting with multiple sizes from R10 to R50 for consistent curved edges. Built from high-quality aluminum alloy, they offer strong durability and accurate guiding compared to plastic alternatives. The adjustable edge stops make setup simple and stable, allowing smooth routing along the template for clean and professional results on furniture, frames, and boards. GSM Clear-Cut STS stock guides provide smooth and accurate material control with stainless steel rollers and angled feed pressure for cleaner table saw cuts. The one-way bearing system helps reduce kickback risk, while the durable construction ensures reliable long-term performance on a wide range of table saws. The 13-inch benchtop wood planer features a powerful 2000 W motor with 10,000 revolutions per minute performance for smooth and efficient wood planing. Its 3-blade HSS cutter head delivers clean, precise surfaces with reduced tear-out, while the adjustable cutting height supports boards up to 13 inches wide. A fast 21 feet per minute feed rate improves productivity, and built-in overload protection helps maintain safe and reliable operation. The multi-size dust port keeps the workspace cleaner during woodworking tasks. Powered by a 6-amp motor, the WN6530 electric hand planer delivers up to 34,000 cuts per minute for fast and smooth material removal. The adjustable cutting depth system offers precise control up to 1/8 inch, while the lightweight 6-pound body improves handling during extended use. It also supports rabbiting tasks up to 1 inch and includes useful accessories for cleaner and more accurate woodworking performance. Gas-powered 20-ton log splitter equipped with a 7 HP, 212 cubic centimeters engine delivers strong and consistent splitting force for heavy firewood tasks. The hydraulic system provides fast cycle times and can handle logs up to 18 inches with ease. Built on a durable steel frame with transport wheels, it offers mobility across rough outdoor terrain. Designed for continuous power and reliable performance in demanding wood-splitting applications. Heavy-duty woodworking apron made from 20 ounces waxed canvas designed for durability, water resistance, and protection during workshop tasks. It features 9 tool pockets including chest storage, large compartments, and a magnetic pocket for holding screws, nails, and small metal parts securely. The crossback adjustable straps with padded shoulders help distribute weight evenly for comfortable long-term wear. Built for carpenters, blacksmiths, and DIY users, it provides organized tool access and reliable protection in demanding work environments. Portable multifunction workbench designed for cutting, sawing, painting, and general DIY projects with integrated vise and sawhorse functionality. The heavy-gauge steel frame supports up to 450 pounds, providing stable working support for various materials. Adjustable rear jaws and swivel pegs allow secure clamping of irregular shapes, while dual-height folding legs offer flexible working positions. Lightweight and collapsible design makes it easy to store and transport for workshop or job site use. Cordless rotary tool kit with 71 accessories designed for engraving, sanding, polishing, carving, and light cutting tasks on soft materials. It features 3 adjustable speed levels from 12,000 to 17,000 revolutions per minute for controlled and precise operation across different DIY applications. Lightweight pin-style design with USB Type-C charging ensures easy portability and comfortable handling during detailed work. The included accessories and soft rubber grip make it suitable for crafting, jewelry work, and small home projects. Heavy-duty construction jacks designed for precise lifting, leveling, and positioning tasks with a capacity of up to 330 pounds per unit. They provide controlled lowering for fine adjustments and a quick-release system for fast setup and removal. The slim tapered base allows easy placement under tight spaces, while the stable design supports accurate leveling work. Ideal for construction, installation, and woodworking applications. Corner clamp set designed for holding and aligning 90-degree, T-joint, and miter joints with fast and precise positioning. The quick-release clamping mechanism allows instant setup and secure fixing of wood pieces ranging from 0.5 to 2.9 inches thick. It supports cabinet frames, bookshelves, and molding work by applying firm pressure for accurate alignment and clean glue joints. Non-marring pads protect surfaces while maintaining strong grip for professional woodworking results. Compact 5.6 amp palm router delivering variable speeds from 16,000 to 35,000 revolutions per minute for precise routing work. The durable aluminum base ensures stability, while the quick clamp system allows easy adjustments and bit changes. Ergonomic grip and finger support improve control, making it suitable for smooth edge trimming and detailed woodworking tasks.